So welcome back guys, my name is Amlan and in today's Make Knowledge Free campaign, we go about looking at how we can make any group participant admin on WhatsApp. Now this is a basic tutorial, so I believe that many people who are new to WhatsApp and who have created the groups, they would be wanting to know on how they can do certain settings. And one of those settings include making certain members they trust to be group admin in order to moderate settings. Now here is a group that I have created, and therefore like I become admin as default. As an admin, I can add members, I can edit the group picture, I can do various different settings, and I can also delegate this to any other participant. When I say delegate this, I mean delegating the role as an admin. Now you can see that there are different group participants out here, and therefore because I'm the admin, I can make any of them as a admin. So how do I do that? I simply hold on to the participant name and you will see that this small box arrives. In this there are certain options, and one of the options is making a group admin. Now as soon as I do that, I have now made the participant a group admin. Now this participant can equally, like myself, add different participants and have different admin privileges. Admin privileges can be like adding group members, doing like removing them, and maybe setting certain settings. So all of the things that's available to the group owner is now also available to the different participant. At any point of time, say my mind changes and I want to remove him, I can go ahead and do that as well. So I can dismiss as admin as well. And likewise, he could have also done the same with me because he is now the admin as well. So well, this is simply a basic tutorial. So go ahead and in case you find this useful, click on the subscribe thing and do share this with your friends. Maybe it will help someone in case they don't know how to make participants as admin. Again, a very important thing to note here is you can only make someone an admin in case you are the admin yourself. A normal group member won't be able to do this, but an admin can do this. So let us know in case you find anything else troubling you in WhatsApp, and if you want us to help you with that, we'll be more than happy to make basic tutorials. Thank you so much. It's me, Amlan, signing off. Have a good day and a wonderful weekend.